Hey everyone, welcome to day 17 of the 150 days no excuse coding challenge. I'm actually happy that we have made a significant progress on this project today. Uh, in the morning, I have been working on the CSS part. I have almost made it scalable. See, as you can see, I have just pushed the code. I have used the utility classes and all the components. I have made it reusable as well. Most of the things are reusable, and there are things which are not used, means they are not used properly. But we will look at the minute details later. But for now, so today's stream it will be all about JavaScript, how we can make it dynamic, which is the main purpose of this project. So let's look at the HTML for a bit and see where to start. Okay, so we have a dialog box which we want to show the user when our form is submitted successfully. So before that we need to validate. So let's try to understand about the dialog. Yes, what it is, dialog box. Okay. Tell me about a dialog HTML element. So before that, let's remove everything. Let's start from the blank slate. So it is saying that for the dialog box which we uh, usually make using the div, we can use the show method, and but still when we are building the dialog box using the div, we can click the things behind it, but whereas since we are using the dialog element, we can we cannot click on the background things while the dialog box is active. So this is an example of it. Okay, let's see what is happening. The button ID, open button, open newsletter. Okay, we don't want this. Okay, what do we want? We do not want We want the dialog box to appear whenever the form is submitted successfully, but before form is submitted successfully. Okay, so let's look at the form for now. Okay, this is our form. So we have set the classes here. Set like most of the CSS. So if there is any like we aren't checking the input as of now. So let's check the input. Let's add a event listener to the input. Email input. Okay, what is it? Newsletter input. Okay, class. Document dot query selector. So we are just checking for the validity. We are just checking the validity. So how should we check the validity of the email? So we have got the class. Okay. So while we are inputting, and to check the validity. Okay. Okay, let's try to make a function. Function check valid is email valid. So if it is invalid, it will return false, right? I hope so. So let's call this one only. Is email invalid? What we are sending? Event. Oh, this is how maybe is it? Don't know about it. Is this how we do it? Okay. I'm actually forgetting the syntax. I'm a little bit confusing. Okay, so event limit click close button. No, we do not want this. If it is false, then we will just target this one newsletter. Newsletter error label. Dot query selector label text. Dot text content. Valid email required. Okay, it's not showing anything as of now. Okay, newsletter label text. Is it the one you want? Sorry, I think we have got the wrong one. Error. Okay, is this the one? Label error. Error. Okay, first of all, let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Console.log event dot target dot input value. I think so. Value is it? ALLO. So let's try to check how to professionally check the email. So this is the professional way, but I do not want to jump using all these external methods. I want to do it manually using the native JS. So let's okay. So what does it give? So it does it return true or false? See, I'm not just blindly copying the things. I'm just uh, making the function names better and more readable. Okay, let's see. So when we enter into the email input, we are getting the value, but what we are not getting is we are not getting like if the email enter, we are not able to validate the email entered is true or false. And I'm trying to find the solution for it. Nothing is getting into my mind right now, but let's stay with this problem for a bit and try to figure out what is happening. Okay, so we are getting the value here. So value, how can the value be true or false as it is a string? Okay. How can a string be a true or false? Since we are entering the value, it cannot be false. Okay, got it. So we are not moving to the next thing, which is the submit button. We are just trying to validate. So let's change this background color to, let's try to focus on the things uh, which I can probably solve now. So I will try to just So sorry for taking the time. पाइप बंचेसी मम्मी. So, so guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow I will try to complete the JavaScript and I will try to complete it as soon as possible tomorrow as I have worked on the CSS part. So I'm not at this time my logical brain is not able to function properly. That's why I'm not able to think clearly through it. So we will meet again tomorrow. So that's it for today, guys. I know the streams are a bit chaotic, like there are random background noises that are coming from different people. It is happening because I should not stream at this time. Like this is at this time, at this time, parents are like very active. But I have to stream in like in the afternoon time, which will be more quiet. So yeah, so that's it for today. Hope you had a great day today.